Hi, my name is Scott Dial, and I'm in my 20th year as principal at Tecumseh South Elementary. The 2025 Shawnee Heights Bond proposal would make important improvements at Tecumseh South to better support our students and staff every day. Additional classrooms, support service areas, and kitchen space will give us more room to meet student needs. Renovations to student restrooms plus new staff restrooms will help our building keep up with daily use. We'll also renovate the school resource officer and IT office to better support safety and technology. Traffic would improve with separate parent and bus entry points for pickup and drop-off, along with expanded parking for families and staff. And like all elementary schools in our district, playgrounds will be improved with turf, shade, and accessible equipment so every child can play. At Tecumseh South, our art teacher currently has to wheel a cart to every classroom throughout the week. Additional space for her so she can have her own classroom with sinks and keep her supplies, materials, and have kids come to her area will enhance our art program. Band and orchestra, it's in the cafeteria and in our supply basement. They will have their own classroom so kids can perform and practice in the classrooms. These changes will create more space and opportunities for every student at Tecumseh South Elementary. For more information about the 2025 bond proposal, visit our website at www.usd450.net.